Computer vision. Computer vision (CV) is a domain of AI that deals with how computers can be made to gain high-level understanding from digital images or videos. It focuses on replicating the complexity of the human vision system and enabling computers to identify and process objects in images and videos in the same way that humans do. Computer vision is all about pattern recognition. One way to train a computer to understand visual data is to provide it with lots of images that have been labeled, then subjecting them to various software techniques or algorithms that help the computer find those patterns in all the elements related to those labels. One of the driving factors of computer vision is the amount of data we generate today, which is then used to train and make computer vision better. Emoji Scavenger Hunt. Emoji Scavenger Hunt is a game that showcases machine learning technology in an interactive way. It's a fun, experimental game where different emojis appear on the screen one by one, and the player is tasked with finding a real-world object that resembles the emoji in a few seconds. On finding the object, they need to point their camera at it so that their timer extends and the game continues. The difficulty of finding the emojis gradually increases as you progress ahead in the game. Starting out with objects we are likely to have like a shoe, book, or our own hand, and progressing to things like a banana, a candle, or even a scooter. Try out this game now. Go to this link https://emojiscavengerhunt.withgoogle.com/. Working of Emoji Scavenger Hunt. The core functionality of the Emoji Scavenger Hunt game is identifying objects that your camera sees and matching that to an object emoji the game asks you to find. The camera knows what it is seeing, as we had trained a model for object recognition, or we can also use a pre-trained model for the same.